Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about occipital bone. We will start our topic with introduction, and here you can see the diagram of the skull, and the green part of the skull is occipital bone. Occipital bone is flat, unpaired bone. That means there will be only one bone in every skull, and it is located at the back and base of the skull. It plays a crucial role in protecting the brain, supporting the head, and providing attachment points for muscles. Now let's talk about anatomy of occipital bone. The occipital bone consists of four main parts: squamous part, basilar part, lateral part, and foramen magnum. And now we'll talk about these parts one by one. First, we'll talk about the squamous part. It forms the posterior wall of the skull, and it contains the external occipital protuberance, that is a bony prominence. The features include nuchal lines which serve as a muscle attachment sites. Now let's talk about the basilar part of occipital bone. It is located in the front of foramen magnum, and it connects with the sphenoid bone, and it supports the brain stem. Now let's talk about the lateral parts of occipital bone. It found on either side of foramen magnum, and it contains the occipital condyle which articulates with the atlas, that is C1 vertebra, and it allows head movement. Now let's talk about the foramen magnum of occipital bone. It is a large opening in occipital bone, and it allows passage of spinal cord, vertebral arteries, and accessory nerves. Now let's talk about the functions of occipital bone. Functions of occipital bone include protection, that it is shields the occipital lobes of brain. It also do the structural support as it forms the base of the skull, and also perform the function of muscle attachment as it encourage for neck and back muscle, and also helps in head movements as it facilitate articulation with the atlas vertebra, that is C1 vertebra. Now let's talk about the articulations of occipital bone. The occipital bone connects with the six other bones, and these bones are parietal bone, and it is by the lambdoid suture, temporal bone, that is by the occipitomastoid suture, and sphenoid bone anteriorly, and atlas, that is C1 vertebra, through the occipital condyle. Here you can see occipital bone connects with the two parietal bone, two temporal bone, one sphenoid bone, and one atlas, total making of the six articulations of occipital bone. Now let's talk about the clinical significance of occipital bone. Occipital bone fracture can be there, and they can result from head trauma leading to brain injury. Other clinical significance is occipital neuralgia. That is a condition causing chronic pain due to nerve compression. And surgical importance of occipital bone includes, as it is used in cranial surgeries and neurological procedures. Now let's talk about the conclusion of our lecture today. The occipital bone is a vital structure that contributes to the cranial protection, support, and function. Its anatomy, articulation, and clinical relevance make it an essential topic in medical study, and that's the reason occipital bone is really important to learn and understand. So this was about occipital bone. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on our channel. Thank you for watching.